Namaste and welcome to Study with Sri Kripa. In this video, we will learn the formation of Hindi letters, that is vowels. Swar. The first letter of Hindi alphabet is letter A. Let's see how to write it. Put a curve. Again one more curve below that. From the middle, draw a sleeping line. Go up and bring it down. Up, draw a sleeping line. This is letter A. A say anar. Let's see again how to write it. Put a curve like this. Again one more curve below that. From the middle one sleeping line. Go up and bring it down. Up, draw a sleeping line. This is letter A. A say anar. The next letter is letter A, which is similar to letter A. Let's see how to write it. How you wrote a curve, again one more curve, the same way you have to write. Put a curve like this, curve, again one more curve below that. From the middle, draw one sleeping line, go up and bring it down. Up, draw a sleeping line, and next to it, draw one standing line. This is letter A. A say arm. Let's see how to write it one more time. Put a curve, again one more curve. From the middle one sleeping line, go up and bring it down. Next to it one standing line, up a sleeping line. This is letter A. A say arm. A say arm. A say anar. A say arm. Next letter is letter E. Put one small 1 below that, like letter S in English. Put a curve to make it as a S, bring it down, put a circle, bring it down, and then up a sleeping line like this. So this is letter E. E say Imali. 1, and then like letter S, down one circle, bring it down, and then up a sleeping line, letter E. E say Imali. This is letter E say Imali. So A say anar, A say am, and E say Imali. A say anar, A say am, E say Imali. The next letter is E. E say E. Let's see how to write it. Put 1 below that, like letter S in English. It's similar to the letter E. Write the same way how you wrote letter E. Put a curve up and draw a sleeping line. So this is letter E. E say eek. Let's see one more time. 1, and then below that, like letter S, put a curve, bring it down, and then up one curve like this, and then a sleeping line. So this is letter E. E say eek. E. Now next letter is letter U. Let's see how to write it. It's similar to letter A. Put one curve, again one more curve below that, and then draw a sleeping line up like this. That's all. This is letter U. U say Ullu. Let's see again. One curve, below that one more curve, and then up one sleeping line. This is letter U. U say Ullu. Next letter is similar to this. It's U say oon. Next letter is U say oon. Let's see how to write. Put a curve, then again one more curve below that. From the middle, draw like a sleeping line, but it should come like a curve below down. Then up one sleeping line. This is letter U. U say oon. Let's see how to write it one more time. Put a curve, or like number 3 in make it like a number 3. Then from the middle, one sleeping line and make it as a curve below that. And then up, one sleeping line. This is letter U. U say oon. U say ullu. And then U say oon. Next is letter Ri. Ri say Rishi. Let's see how to write it. Put one standing line like this, and from the middle, like letter K in English, draw two slanting lines like this. And the next side, put like a cursive letter E. Make a turn and bring it like a curve. This is letter, then up one sleeping line. This is letter Ri. Ri say Rishi. Again, let's see one more time. Put one standing line. From the middle, one slanting line. Again, below that, one slanting line. Next to it, go up straight. Make one circle. Bring it down and one more curve below that. Then up one sleeping line. This is letter Ri. Ri say Rishi. U say Ullu. U say oon. And then Ri say Rishi. U say Ullu, U say oon, and Ri say Rishi. Next letter is A. A say Ek. Let's see how to write. Put one small one or a standing line, then put a slanting line. Then again next to it, one more small standing line and make a small curve. Then up a sleeping line. This is letter A. A say Ek. One more time. Draw one standing line, then one slanting line. Next to it, one more standing line and make a small turn. Then up one sleeping line. This is letter A. A say Ek. Next letter is similar to this. That is A say Anak. Let's see how to write. The same way how you wrote A, you have to write first. So put one, then one slanting line. Then next to it, one more small one, and just little bit you can turn. Then up one, make one circle and join it to the second line. Don't join it to the first one, join it to the second line. And then up one sleeping line. This is letter A. A say Anak. A say Anak. See again. We'll write it again. Put one small one and then one slanting line. Next to it again one more small standing line and then small turn on curve. Up one circle, make a line and join it to the second line. And then again one sleeping line up. This is letter A. A say Anak. So A say Ek, A say Anak. Next letter is letter O. Its letters similar to letter A. First write like letter A, put a curve, again one more curve. From the middle one sleeping line, go up, bring it down. This is letter A. Next to it, put one standing line. This will become letter A. Then how you made a circle and one curve, the same way you have to do it here also. Make one circle and one line, up one sleeping line. This is letter O. See again. Curve, again one more curve below that. From the middle, one sleeping line, go up, bring it down. Next to it, one standing line. How you made one circle and a line in the letter A, the same way you have to make it here. Put one circle and join the line. The second line you have to join, not the first one, and then draw a sleeping line up. This is letter O. O say Okhali. A say Ek. A say Anak. O say Okhali. The next letter is letter Au. Let's see how to write it. Letter Au. It's also similar to letter O. Only little bit of difference is there. So put one curve, again one more curve below that. From the middle, one sleeping line, go up, bring it down. Next to it, make a standing line. Now you did only one line up in letter O. Here you have to make two lines. So make one circle, join it to the second one, second standing line. Again one more circle, make it as a line and bring it and join it to the second line. So this is letter Au se, Aurat. Let's see again. Curve, one more curve. From the middle one sleeping line, go up, bring it down. Next again one standing line. One small round, join it to the second line. Again one more small circle, join it to the second line. Then one sleeping line up. This is letter Au se, Aurat. Both the lines up should join in the same point. It should not join in the first and second. It should be in the same place. Next letter is Ang se, Angur. Curve, again one more curve. From the middle one sleeping line, go up, bring it down, draw a sleeping line up, and then one small dot. So this is letter Ang se, Angur. Let's see again. Put one small curve, again one more curve. From the middle one sleeping line, go up, bring it down, up a sleeping line, and then up one small dot. Ang se, Angur. This is letter Ang se, Angur. The last letter is letter Aha. Let's see how to write. It is also similar to the previous letter. Write like A. Go up, bring it down, up a sleeping line, and next to it you have to put two dots like this. So this is letter Aha. Let's see again. This Aha letter doesn't have any word. So again one more curve below that, and from the middle one sleeping line, go up and the sleeping line up, and then next to it two dots. This is letter Aha. Aha is not a starting letter for any of the word. So Aha se kuch nahi. No words begins with letter Aha. Au, Ang, Aha. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.